Welcome back, car people. My last video, I mentioned I come across a really nice kit for the bolts. The name of the company is Alloy Bolts. I mean, these are nice. I mean, it's just a small. It's not the major. You know, you don't get your cap bolts and stuff like that. I don't know. He might have them, but I mean, look at this stuff. Everything is individually wrapped, packaged. You see that? Is that reflecting? They're all labeled. I mean, this is awesome. Got everything. This is awesome. Stainless steel. I did not get the ones that are polished, but I can tell you what. These washers, and I mean, they don't have no burrs. They're real smooth. This is this is a nice, really nice kit. And mainly, this is the only one I was really after. You know, that's what I was looking for. That's probably backwards, but that's my intake manifold. So, and I mean, that's the only one I really needed. But then I saw this, come across it online, and I mean, you know, fuel pump, oil filter housing, valve covers, which I actually needed them too, coil bracket, thermostat housing, distributor, water pump, crank pulley, carb kit. I mean, it's headers, which are the Allens, which I've already got stainless steel. They came with my headers, but oil pan. I mean, it's just, this is a really nice kit. You know, and I was just after the intake manifold, you know, but then I start, you know, 20 bucks here, 40 bucks there, 20 bucks here, 15 bucks here. Why not pay a low price? Get all of them. So that's what I did. But they're really nice. I do believe, I think I saw where the company is veteran owned, and I always tend to go towards my smaller companies anyways, but I don't see anything on here about it, but I think that's what his website said. I mean, he even sent me down here at the bottom, got torque specs for all of them. I think that's kind of cool. But yeah, Alloy Bolts. It's the name of the company. www.alloybolts.com. And if you want to call them personally, put it in my comments, and I got the man's phone number too if you need it. But yeah, just some more goodies coming in. Figured I'd show them off, you know. And he even labeled the bag. Come on now. It's awesome. Really awesome. Nice kit. But yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching.